Hey, I'm Scott, and today we're going to talk about Ekena Millwork's Rustic Timber line of shutters. This is a cool product. Adds a lot of natural beauty and curb appeal to any house. It's made out of natural western red cedar, which is a beautiful wood. Has a lot of color variations, some natural knots, some checking. It's a natural, beautiful product. We started manufacturing this product based on requests from our customers. Contractors and builders alike used to design and make this product on their job site, but as they wanted more complicated designs, more framed designs, they came to us asking us for help. So we offer multiple designs on this product. We have a spaced board and batten. We have this nice framed product. We offer Z-bars. We offer different angles. It's a cool product line. We have a variety of standard sizes available. Keep in mind, this product is made from 5.5-inch wide boards. So your width will be determined by the width of the boards, how many boards we use. We start at 24 inches tall. We go up to 96 inches tall. But if you do have a custom size that you want, please give us a call. We'll figure out how to do it for you. As with any product we manufacture, we always have installation in mind. We want it to be easy for our customers. This product is probably one of the easiest ones to install. It is truly as simple as using an exterior grade screw and face screwing in each corner in the middle of your shutter directly into your house. When it comes to finishing this product, it's super easy. It is manufactured out of western red cedar, and western red cedar can actually be left bare, and over time it will bring on this beautiful gray tone. But if you want to maintain the natural warmth of cedar itself, then we recommend any exterior grade stain or clear coat. If the cedar shutters are not right for you, we have shutters in lots of different material. We have vinyl shutters, we have urethane shutters, we have PVC shutters. But for more interesting and innovative products, please check out our website or give us a call anytime.